Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have something special for you today what you don't see very often. You might say, hey, it's just a CV axle, what's so special about it? Well, I replaced it today at my shop because one of the boots was ripped. But what is interesting about it, why it was damaged. We see together, and I film it for you, a lot of rodent. It's either rats or mice or all these animals damaging cars in different places. I filmed for you nests in the engine bay and in the cabin air filter housings. But this is another example how rodent damage becomes costly to the owners of the cars. And if you look on that rubber boot in the detail, you can see how some animals' teeth were biting it off. So this is definitely huge damage. On top of it, it broke here, it was all ripped open, the grease from the CV axle was all over the engine and everywhere. But look at the detail, these bite marks. The owner of this vehicle, she said, I was working in the state park and they were many squirrels running around. So she thinks that it might be bitten, eaten, damaged by the squirrels. So after carefully examining this side, which was the inner, we can look on the outer. And look at that. Outer, it's completely untouched. There's no bite marks whatsoever. And that brings kind of interesting observation. This is made from completely different material than this boot. So is it really something inside what they consider food and they like to eat it? That's a really good question and I have no answer to it. I always thought that the rodents, all these bite marks in the engine bay, because they are sharpening or filing of their teeth, that they don't grow too long. But here it looks like they were actually eating it. And why I'm thinking that they were eating it, because the other side on the vehicle, the other axle, it was completely the same. This material was bitten into and they created very small hole. So the damage just started and just barely any grease left. And this side, which seems to be different material, was also completely untouched. So please, if you are expert on the rodents and their behaviors and what they eat, and you know why this is happening, please share it with us in the comments underneath this video. And that's all from me for you. It was just a quick video, something interesting what you don't see every day. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.